Welcome. Remap preset waveforms. Have you ever tried selecting a voice or drum kit and noticed that YEM disables it, making it unavailable for your keyboard model? Let's take a look at one of the most common reasons why this happens. As you probably know, voices and drum kits can be generated using internal sounds and samples built into the keyboard. Each keyboard model, or generation of keyboards, has its own internal memory layout, a specific address structure where these preset waveforms are stored. When a voice is created for a newer model, it uses waveform addresses that exist only on that newer instrument. As a result, the same voice may not be compatible with older models, simply because those waveform references do not exist in their internal memory. This is why some voices or drum kits appear as disabled when you try to select and install them on older keyboards. In this video, I'll show you how to make a voice or drum kit created for a newer keyboard model compatible with older ones. Here we have a pack containing a drum kit generated using presets from YEM-CE 2. Let's open it and take a look. As you can see, since preset visualization is enabled, the preset information is displayed immediately when entering the drum's viewer screen. The same behavior applies in Voice Viewer. Now let's select a key that is highlighted in green. As you can see, this key has a YEM-CE 2 preset waveform assigned to it, along with its internal number. On the right side of the description, there are two buttons, Remap and Remove Preset. For this specific example, I'll use the Remap function. Clicking it opens the remapping screen. At the top of the screen, you'll see details about the selected key and the preset waveform currently assigned to the key. On the left side, the application displays the available keyboard models supported by your installed version of YEM, in this case, version 2.11.0. The system automatically positions itself on the original preset source and waveform assignment. You can see the preset name and its internal preset number. In my case, I want to make this drum kit compatible with YEM-CE 1. So on the right side, I select YEM-CE 1, then search for the equivalent drum and preset waveform. I have to mention that when the remap screen opens, the lists are automatically populated based on the selected type, either voice or drum kit. In some cases, the exact waveform exists and can be matched directly. In other cases, you may choose a different waveform if you want to replace a specific drum component such as a cymbal, tom, kick, or snare. In this example, I will select the matching preset waveform for YEM-CE 1. As you can see, it has a different internal number. I select it and click Remap. The preset product is now updated to YEM-CE 1, and the preset waveform number reflects the newly selected mapping. I repeat the same process for the remaining waveforms. Now that everything is configured, let's open Yamaha Expansion Manager and try loading the updated content for YEM-CE 1. And just like that, we've solved one of the most common compatibility issues that causes voices or drum kits to work on one model, but not on another. I hope this video helps you better understand how to make your content compatible across different Yamaha keyboard models. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.